Hi guys, Dr. Mayo with BizCrown. I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook page name. Seems to be something a lot of people want to know about. So you've created your Facebook page name and now you want to change it. Well, it's very simple. We're going to show you how. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure you are logged into the page. You want to make sure you go to the page one and that you are actually the one on the page. Why I say that is you can be on your page. Let's say I've picked a Dr. Mayo Media page here, and I'm actually still on my personal Mayo BizCrown Media or on another page. Well, I won't be able to make this change here. The only way to make this change is to make sure that I'm logged onto the page and I'm myself as the page. I'm not operating as somebody else or another page. Once you've done that and you're logged in, all you have to do is go to settings. Now, don't forget what I just told you, because you could lose your mind looking for this, looking for settings. If you've gone to the Dr. Mayo Media page here, for example, and you are not logged in as Dr. Mayo on the right here, that's where the stress comes in. So make sure you're logged in as the page, the person who controls the page, and you are on the page. Then you'll be able to see all the stuff over here to the left. Now, what do? You go to settings. Once you've gone to that page, once you go to settings, it takes you here. As you can see, the page, the settings, the privacy, all that. You should be able to see this format, general page settings. Now, to make that change, it's very simple. You go to edit over here. Now, once you click edit, you can make the change here. I'm not going to change mine, but this is where you go. You type in and you make your edit. You review the change, right? And then you submit it once you've edited there, once you've added it, there. Now, this is the thing to note. If you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for the next 60 days. Don't forget that. Don't skip that. Don't be so excited and you make that change and then realize, oh, I want to change it back, and you can't. But that's how you can change your name. And once you do that, you save it and you are golden and good to go. But once again, you want to make sure you're logged in as the page owner on the page, and you'll be able to make that change and can't do it again for 60 days. Hopefully this was helpful. If it is, like and subscribe to our channel to be able to see other tips and tricks that'll help you out with your digital marketing and social media management. Take care.